Hello dear viewers. So full end-to-end for suppose if you join the any job like as a experienced person, or we are going to switch or we join. So we got assigned based on the our labels, right? We are a very senior, like junior, mid-level. So we have the labels. So full recorded sessions are available in the system configuration in S/4HANA Embedded EWM, integrations, advanced project, basics. So in very wholesale price. Okay. One more thing. We are going to understand here. I am going to show you one of the important process, which is the actually our basic requirement is, or this is our main requirement to build a freight unit. Okay, freight unit. So system will directly do not build the freight unit. Actually we require few things, few settings. The first is how we are going to create a freight unit, from which way we are going to create a freight unit, through which process we are going to create a freight unit, means handling unit, because our requirement to send the goods to the customers, okay, via deliveries. So in the EWM, as we know, we pick the product from the final storage type section bin, okay, we pack, we perform the packaging specification, package spec in the short form we call. We pack the product into the different boxes, carton boxes. If you're looking, I have the specialization book on the same. So full end-to-end implementation, and we perform more tasks like labeling, stickering, pasting, okay, brand labeling. Also what we do here, we have the some kind of, for an example, we put the bubble wraps, thermocol. Suppose if we are going to send the for an example mobile phones, some kind of computer PCs, okay, these are the servers for an example. Let's take an example, servers, okay, server PC. So we put the thermocols, we pack, it depends upon the product. So we perform the picking process for outbound delivery from the high storage type section bin. Storage type might be like fixed, upper side, high rack, pallet storage, bulk storage, depends from where we are going to pick the product type or the business requirement. So but the main thing here is we pick, we pack, we stage. Stage means the warehouse worker bring to the, before loading, they bring to the particular specific area to perform the loading process. Then we send via TU or vehicle or like locomotive, depends upon the transportable unit, we send the goods to the customers, okay. But here the main thing here, whenever we talk about the transport management, so because both the system are going to communicate, SAP TM or EWM, so we require one of the intermediate, okay, to take our like instructions from the TM system, reach to the EWM layer or EWM system, because we perform the planning. What is the source, what is the source city, what is the source country, what is the destination city, state or country. If for an example it's in India, okay, so we select based on that, okay. So we do the planning in the TM system, TM side, okay, this is a freight unit, this is a freight order, this would be our transportable unit, okay. So before making the freight unit in the system, then XML file will take the instruction and it will go to the EWM system. The EWM system or EWM enabled warehouse, managed warehouse, the warehouse resources workers, they perform the pick, pack, stage, load process. Instruction come from the TM system, TM side, transport management side. So whenever we are going to create the freight unit, okay, so few things works here. The first thing is what is a freight unit? Freight unit contains something inside that, like collection of something. It contains the material, okay. The freight unit or handling unit contains the material. So here we have few of the concepts, control keys. So suppose I want the freight unit to be created or would be created when we are going to perform the inbound delivery process, purchase order, inbound delivery process would be created. Or we want the freight unit would be created whenever we are going to, for an example, in the inbound delivery or outbound delivery side, sales order, outbound delivery, or only outbound delivery or only sales, or depends. So here control keys helps to the process. Okay, when we talk about the freight unit, okay, freight unit means it's a package actually. Okay, what is the meaning of the package? Collection of something. Here we have collection of materials in the freight unit. So we have the package builder actually. Okay, we call unified package builder and freight order types. This helps to build a freight unit. So we have one more thing here which I want to show you here. The meaning of the package is a concept, okay, and we call the packages in the TM side, we call the plant shipper handling unit in the EWM side. Plant shipper handling unit, we create the handling as we know in the EWM side. But packages, the same concept we call here in the TM side, okay. So this is our transportable. Suppose this is the one of the unit which is the handling unit or freight unit. This is one of the unit. It contains suppose some materials, okay. So how it contains some materials? So today we will see, we assign packaging material. So packaging material, what is the packaging material here in our my example? Suppose this is the mobile phones, okay, mobile phones. So packaging material is, this is the packaging material, okay, material for unified package builder, okay, and plant shipper handling unit. So unified package builder or package builder is a concept, okay, which helps to system to build a freight unit, okay, or handling unit to send the goods to the customer. And here we have the few of the important transaction code, transport management side and EWM side. Why we have these two transactions? Because we need to assign the packaging material for this freight unit. So suppose we have the mobile here, okay. Okay, this is the packaging material. We need to pack this material, that's why we call packaging material. Packaging material means this material needs to be packed inside the handling unit, or in the TM side we call freight unit, okay. So we need to tell to system, this is my packaging material and this is my freight unit, okay, and I want to pack this material inside this freight unit. We need to tell to this to the system, freight unit in the TM side, okay, who helps us. We have few transaction code, unified package builder, or we call engine. Like in the wave management I explained you, right? Wave engine sends the instruction to trigger the waves for outbound delivery. We have similar here, unified package builder. This is the TM side, or in the short form we call package builder, which helps the system to build a specific package. And how system will come to know? We want this material to be packed inside the freight unit, okay, or in the package or in the box. This helps to system. This tells to system, these are the material we need to assign to this freight unit, okay. And when we talk about the EWM side we call normal, what we call handling unit. Simple, okay. So here we have plant shipper handling unit. Very simple. The packaging material, either we are going to pack into the freight unit, which we call in the TM side, or in the EWM side, handling unit, okay. We need to link this, assign this. We need to link this material to this freight units. Then we can pack the mobile phones or the material required to be packed inside the freight unit to deliver to the customer. Or if we want to inbound delivery, if we suppose receive the loose product from the customer, okay, loose mixed product in our warehouse, okay, and we have the integrated this process, the same process. So we need to link each things with each other, okay? That's why unified package builder engine or package building rule, package builder, like a same thing, okay? Works like or freight order type to help to system to finally construct a freight unit which contains material to deliver to the customer. For an example, and here we have the different transaction code. Suppose first example, transport management site freight unit I am going to pick. We have the transport management site T code / SCMB / package builder _PKG package _ assignment. This transaction code package type assignment T on side. When we execute this transaction, this material will link to the freight unit and system will understand, okay, this is the material which Manas wants to pack inside this freight unit. Both will be linked. Then the warehouse worker, they can pack, okay? And now suppose I want to pack some same material into the handling unit in the EWM side. For an example, we have the different EWM some transaction code / supply chain warehouse management / CAP _ package builder _ package assignment product package type assignment EWM side. So both of these very important transaction codes, finally we are saying to system, this is my material which I am going to or which I want to pack inside the freight unit, okay, or freight this inside the box, freight unit, okay, unit, handling unit, transportable unit. I will tell you one thing, example I will give you here, okay. What is the unit? Actually I will explain you what is exactly the unit, okay. Suppose this is a truck. This is the front area where driver sits, okay. This is the wheels. Until and unless we don't place any unit, only this truck becomes, we call vehicle. When we place the container or when we see truck, okay, we call this is the transportable unit, okay. And the people they are looking for socket programming, okay, how the SAP system or material flow system communicate with the handheld devices, okay, or with the sensors, PLC. Please get back to me, okay. We have socket programming, okay. So I will take the sessions and okay. So this is a transport. So now suppose, and if we see the handling unit, because can be handled by cranes, stackers, okay. So can be handled, that's why we call this is a handling. Why we call the, and again the same handling unit we call freight unit, because through the transport unit or transport management, we transport, we send, we receive, or this exactly box will be transformed, okay, from one place to another place. That's why we call this is a freight unit, freight delivery coming from the freights, okay. So but this transaction code makes the link in between material, okay, and unified package builder. Simple thing, the definition says itself, speaks itself. Unified package builder. Package means freight unit, builder, it's going to be built, okay. All these things helps together along with the control keys, okay. If you're looking for training, supports, guidance, please get back to me. Thank you very much guys. See you next time.